Most Ford F-150 owners are either changing their oil too early and wasting money, or too late and slowly damaging their engine. And the biggest mistake? Blindly following outdated every 3,000 miles advice instead of using your truck's actual oil life data and the correct oil type. That's the answer. Now let's prove it. Why this matters more than you think. The modern Ford F-150 isn't the same truck it was 10 or even 5 years ago. Whether you're running an EcoBoost V6, a naturally aspirated V8, or a hybrid power boost system, your engine is more efficient, more complex, more sensitive to oil quality and condition. Oil isn't just lubrication anymore. It's cooling, cleaning, and protecting high-pressure turbo systems, timing chains, and direct injection components. Get oil changes wrong and you won't notice immediately. But long-term, it adds up fast. The biggest myth still hurting F-150 owners. Let's address the old rule. Change your oil every 3,000 miles. That advice made sense decades ago. It does not apply to modern F-150 engines. Here's why. Modern synthetic oil lasts much longer. Engine tolerances are tighter. Oil monitoring systems are smarter. If you're still changing oil every 3,000 miles in a modern F-150, you're likely wasting money, throwing away perfectly good oil, not actually improving engine life. What Ford actually designed your truck to do. Your F-150 comes with an Intelligent Oil Life Monitor, IOLM. This system doesn't just count miles, it tracks engine temperature, idle time, driving habits, city versus highway, load, towing, hauling, climate conditions. That means your oil change interval is custom to how you drive, not a fixed number. In many cases, F-150 owners can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between oil changes, sometimes even more under ideal conditions. But, and this is critical, that only works if everything else is done right. The real problem: owners ignore the details. Here's where things go wrong. Most F-150 owners fall into one of these traps. 1. Using the wrong oil type. Not all oil is the same. Ford engines often require very specific oil specs like 5W20 or 5W30 depending on engine, Ford WSS certification standards. Using the wrong oil can lead to poor lubrication, reduced fuel efficiency, increased wear over time. Especially with EcoBoost engines, oil quality is non-negotiable. 2. Cheap oil filters. This one is huge and often ignored. A low-quality oil filter can collapse under pressure, fail to capture fine particles, allow contaminants to circulate. That means even if your oil is fresh, your engine isn't fully protected. 3. Ignoring driving conditions. Your oil life depends heavily on how you use your truck. Severe driving conditions include short trips, engine never fully warms up, heavy towing, stop-and-go traffic, extreme heat or cold. If that sounds like your daily driving, your oil degrades faster, even if mileage is low. EcoBoost engines. Why oil matters even more. If you own an F-150 with an EcoBoost engine, pay attention here. Turbocharged engines run hotter, under higher pressure, with tighter tolerances. That means your oil is doing more work than in a traditional engine. Dirty or degraded oil in a turbo engine can lead to turbo wear, sludge buildup, reduced performance, expensive repairs. This is why some EcoBoost owners who stretch oil changes too far end up with long-term issues. The sludge problem. Nobody talks about. Let's get real. Oil doesn't just wear out, it breaks down. Over time, it accumulates. Carbon deposits, fuel dilution, moisture, metal particles. If oil isn't changed when needed, this turns into sludge. Sludge can block oil passages, starve engine components, cause overheating, lead to catastrophic failure. And the scary part? You won't see it happening until it's too late. So when should you actually change your oil? Here's the smart approach. Follow this simple rule. Change your oil when your oil life monitor hits 15-20%, not 0%. Why? Gives you a safety margin, prevents oil from degrading too far, protects your engine long-term. Adjust based on your driving. Use this as a guideline, mostly highway driving. Follow the monitor closely. City short trips, change earlier. Towing heavy use, change earlier. Extreme climates, be conservative. Synthetic versus conventional, stop debating this. Let's settle this once and for all. For modern F-150 engines, full synthetic oil is the correct choice. Benefits include better high-temperature stability, improved cold starts, longer lifespan. Cleaner engine operation, Conventional oil simply doesn't offer the same level of protection for today's engines. The cost mistake that backfires. Some owners try to save money by delaying oil changes, using cheaper oil, skipping quality filters. Short-term savings? Yes. Long-term cost? Turbo replacement, thousands. Engine repairs, thousands more. Oil changes are cheap insurance. What happens if you change oil too often? Here's the surprising twist. Changing oil too frequently isn't dangerous, but it's inefficient. You're spending more money, wasting resources, not gaining meaningful protection. Modern oil is designed to last. Let it do its job. Quick checklist. Before your next oil change. Before you head in for your next oil change, make sure you use the correct oil spec for your engine. Choose full synthetic oil. Install a high-quality oil filter. Check your oil life monitor, not just mileage. Adjust based on your driving conditions. Simple steps, but they make a massive difference. The long-term payoff. If you get this right, your F-150 can last well over 200,000 miles, maintain strong performance, avoid major engine issues. If you get it wrong, you might not notice for years until a costly repair shows up. Why this video topic matters right now. Modern trucks are more advanced than ever, but that also means old habits don't work anymore. The biggest mistake isn't neglect, it's following outdated advice. And that's exactly why so many F-150 owners are unknowingly hurting their trucks. Final takeaway. Here's the bottom line. Don't guess your oil change interval. Don't follow outdated rules, and don't ignore what your truck is telling you. Your F-150 already knows when it needs new oil. You just have to listen. Now I want to hear from you. Be honest. Do you still change your oil every 3,000 miles? Or are you trusting your F-150's oil life monitor?